Hi YouTube friends, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and today we are talking about the irrational equations, definition and examples. Are you ready? So, come with me! Hi YouTube friends, I'm your teacher Regy Safadão, and today we have our class number 1 of 5, talking about the irrational equations. Okay, let's see our opening. As we already know, this is our channel of Mathematics with the Frontiers, and here we have classes of physics, mathematics, and English, and 2 versions, one in English and the other one in Portuguese. Go there, visit us. Our classes in Portuguese are excellent. Okay. Well, as I told you, let's talk about the irrational equations, definition, and some examples. Let's say they are any equation where the variable x is inside a radical. So here you can see the square root of ax plus b is equal to 0. This is just a kind of general formula, all right? When solving an irrational equation, the key step will be removing the radical. First, we have to transform the irrational equation into a rational equation by taking one or both sides to a convenient exponent. Okay, here we have 3 examples, and then we are going to solve these examples themselves. Okay, so here we have the square root of x plus 4 equals to 5, example A. Example B, the cubic root of x minus 1 equals to 2. And let us see, we have the square root of, the cubic root of the square root of x minus 3 equals to 0. We are going to solve these A, B, and C questions. So finally, we must check the answers because it is possible that some of them are extraneous solutions. All right. So let's see some examples about solving the irrational equations. We divided this study into 4 parts. Okay. So we have irrational equations type 1, type 2, type 3, and also type 4. Okay. So let's see. Find the solution set for the equations below. And so here we have question A. So the square root of x plus 4 equals to 5. As I told you, you have to take this equation, both sides of this equation, to a convenient exponent. Well, let's check what should be a convenient exponent here. This is a square root, all right? So the convenient exponent is square, okay, because we have to cancel out. Okay, so pay attention. I'm going to square both sides of this equation like this. You can see. Now I'm going to cancel out here and here. You can see Pachaco and Pachaco cancel out. And how much is 5 squared? It is 25, because 5 squared is 5 times 5. So what remains? X plus 4 is 25. And now plus 4 moves to the right side of the equation. It goes negative. So we have a negative 4. X is 25 minus 4. So X is supposed to be 21. All right. Because I don't know if this is a true answer. So I'm going to check. So let's check if X is 21. All right. So let's get the question again. So the square root of x plus 4 is 5. Now x is supposed to be 21. So let's replace. So the square root of 21 plus 4, well, 21 plus 4 is 25. So we have the square root of 25. Okay, and we know that the square root of 25 is 5. So 5 is 5. It is true. And if it is true, really, the answer, okay, the solution set is really 21. All right. So let's see question B. Pay attention. Question B is, cubic root of x minus 1 is 2, okay? So what is the convenient exponent now? Cube, okay? So you have to cube both sides of the equation like this. Can you see? So cube on the left and cube on the right, okay? And 2 to the cube, 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. Very good. So cancel out and cancel out. So it remains x minus 1 equals to 8. And this minus 1 comes to the right side of the equation, a positive 1. So we have x is 8 plus 1. It is 9. So x is 9. Supposed to be 9. All right. Let's check before giving the answer. So let's check if x is 9. Get the question again. The cubic root of x minus 1 is 2. So 9 is supposed to be the right answer. So let's replace. Now we have the cubic root of 9 minus 1. Well, 9 minus 1 is 8. So the cubic root of 8 is 2. Really, the cubic root of 8 is 2. So 2 is 2. It is true. So the answer is really 9. So the solution set is 9. All right, let's see question C. Let's check it. Okay, so now we have, yes, we have the cubic root of the square root of x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to do twice. First, the convenient exponent now is 3, okay, cubic. So you can see, yeah. So let's cube both sides of the equation. All right, you can see. Now let's cancel out Pachaco and Pachaco right here. I think I need to move my window. Okay. Now we have the square root, okay, of x minus 3 is 0. Now let's square both sides of the equation like this. Can you see? Excellent. Now let's cancel out here and here. So Pachaco, Pachaco, and what remains? Well, 0 cubed is 0, and 0 squared is also 0. So x minus 3 is 0, and minus 3 goes to the right side of the equation positively. So x is supposed to be 3. Let's check. Let's check if x is 3. Okay, let's prepare everything. Good. Yes. So x is supposed to be 3. So let's replace. Now let's prepare everything. Yes. Well, 3 minus 3 is 0. And what is the square root of 0? It is, the square root of 0 is 0. Now we have the cubic root of 0. You see? Well, what's the cubic root of 0? It is 0 as well. So 0 is equal to 0. It is true. And so really, 3 is the answer of our question. So the solution set is 3. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So these are our special thanks. Thank you very much for watching our video, especially watching our videos until the end, okay? Subscribe to our channel. It is quite very important for the increasement of this channel. Share this video with your friends, your classmates, your siblings, your father, your mother, everybody you love, all right? And of course, send us your like. It is really very important to us, okay? Thank you very much, my friends. I am your teacher, Regy Safadão, wishing you an excellent week. Bye-bye.
That's all, folks.